Today we're finally starting the revival of the smashed R34 sedan.
We're installing a bead wall, you guys.
We're thinking about driving a car through it.
Take that trim off there.
I said half.
Let's first turn the power off. Little test mount, a little tilted, but I had a test fit this wing.
Time to move the garage ornament.
You've never looked more like yourself. Really? You know what I mean? This is the Mike I know.
Except the bleach hair.
Hell yeah.
Man, Lawrence is gonna be mad as hell. You may go on strike after this.
Today we're finally starting the revival of the smashed R34 sedan. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it in the garage and see what this team can do to it.
She's total! That power styrofoam. I told you not to jack it up by the oil pan, man.
Coming down.
Nice and easy now.
Oh! What just sprayed out?
It got me. I've been shot.
It got me.
Yeah, good.
We're in the front.
It's okay, that was the last crack.
We got a ratchet strap into the fucking
Yeah, we do.
Be careful, the glass. Your hands are on the glass.
Oh!
Back down.
I don't think we can.
Let me just put the helmet on.
You gotta push that mic side, dude. The factory steering angle, Tim. What you think about that? We gotta bust the hole and make sure everything's good.
Alright, stand back. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
Jesus.
yeah.
You stay under that.
I stay under it.
There's a junction box right there. It's got insulation. Okay. This is done. Okay. Alright, you ain't running. Get ready, big dog.
Don't go.
Get hurt!
Just
Right here. It's gotta be lower.
I'm gonna go on record and say this is a bad idea.
Connor's mom, don't watch this video.
Don't go. Like, duck my head down?
No!
Do it like this. Shoulder, like shoulder.
Oh, this.
That's pretty good. That's actually really good. Good job. Lower, go lower. Oh no.
Pretty good. Alright, I think he's okay.
Oh my god, he's juiced.
Your hand.
Yo, the whole wall.
Yeah, they did like 5/8 inch and actually insulated it. They cared about this, and look what you're doing.
Yeah, just delinquents
Damn.
when they get a house.
Alright, let's go put a car through it.
This is part of the restoration process, you know?
Get your ass over here.
Don't hit me! I'm a good wall!
Put the car in the garage and fix it.
Hey, get the Murano and a toe strap.
Why was that so much better than I expected?
Yeah, that was like actually perfect.
He was like, it's not gonna go through the
It stopped
studs.
right before the fucking ceiling too. That's actually crazy. Hold on, take your photos. Take your photos.
Let's do it again.
Yo, look at this.
Oh my god.
Look, the camera is right there.
They ripped the wiring right off.
Oh my god.
What happened?
Bruh.
What happened? Did I hit something?
Sir, have you been drinking tonight?
Oh my god, dude.
Goddamn right-hand drive cars. I don't know what size is it. 19.
I figured the picture wasn't cool enough.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, what?
Logan, can you steal a couple of lug nuts off the front of my Z?
I got some on my Junction box right here.
Under a lot. There's blood all over this thing.
My DNA is now on an R34.
That was an actual crash because there's blood.
Yeah, it was.
Dude, that is such a wild.
None of the conduit
Drop it.
drop in on the Skyline. Hard.
Whoa.
Yeah!
As far as gnarly goes, this is probably like a textbook definition.
Cracking open a cold one.
Sponsored by.
We couldn't help test fit a few wheels. RG2 on a S15, what do we think? RG's is the move, man.
Yeah, that is tough.
I think that's the move, Kyle.
I guess we should see the damage back here. Yeah, maybe you guys should do it over here.
Well, you're committed at this point.
Yeah, we need more boom over here. So.
Almost got it. Hold on, I'll go help. Falcon kicking the wall.
2, 1.
Oh shit!
Literally starts out. Wait, hold on. Something's not letting this thing go off.
It's probably in gear.
Oh, I think the subframe's still.
In gear?
Make sure it's not caught on the wires.
Jack it up.
Easy now. Oh, there we go. We're good.
You got it.
I'm gonna put the dolly back.
You're good. Good. You're good.
All right, clear.
You just do a quick 5.
I think this is good here.
Everybody, aim.
Here we go.
Yes.
All right.
You ready?
Get juiced.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, we're going loud.
It's always more than I expect.
It's literally perfect because look, we just missed that joist right there, and the door frame is still intact. You chose the money spot, dude. That's literally the money spot.
Yo, tell me the inside camera was running.
Yeah.
You wanna see it?
Forward. Back. Oh.
Alright, rocket. Yeah!
2x4 came off.
Oh yeah.
We're all trained professionals
We're fine,
here.
but this tow strap is just
Here,
Don't
it's-
attempt this at
we can kick
home.
it over.
Yo, come over here, please.
We broke a coil over.
fucking album cover.
Do we need to put a blitz on that side?
No.
It looks nuts.
Really see the green in the face.
Yeah, that green, that color is sick as f.
That color is cool.
They were cooking with that.
Work.
Hold on, it's in the US.
What?
Choices.
You got flavors. You got flavors.
Let's do. Should we do the Minerva on this side?
Yeah.
Chrome is a little bit more offensive, you know?
Chrome will get you home.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, Jack on the inside.
Wow.
Now, once we get on cleanup mode, this place is gonna.
I will say it does look nicer back there.
Yeah, it's a lot more open.
I like that you can see
Oh, when
through
we
there.
clean it up, dude, it's gonna be awesome.
There you go, up there. Forever.
Guide in the
I'm gonna
missile.
guide it. I'm gonna guide
Guide in the
it.
missile. Everybody lock on.
All right, 3.
2, 1, go!
Wait, did we check to see if there was anything behind there?
Yeah, there's some stuff back there.
Oh shit.
It's okay.
This one went the deepest though.
That one went pretty far.
And it pushed like the main what's it called on the floor.
Oh, that's good.
That might have been the most useful hit though. Now it'll be kind of like.
Yeah, this
teared out.
looks
You guys gotta knock down like one beam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, every picture of this is insane.
Sorry, Mom. Someone throw a sledgehammer.
You just like prop the sledgehammer in the. Perfect.
It's gotta be sideways.
Watch the paint, I'll scratch the car.
Oh!
Yeah.
Deeper.
Chinese food?
Why is that not going through? Just
Yo,
Oh my god.
That's right. It was a
It's what was in the f***ing system.
Okay, we almost died, dude.
with the nails. We are all professionals here.
Trained professionals.
Yeah, that's got to be the intro to the video. We are all trained
We should
professionals.
do the intro right now.
Please do not do what we do at home.
Please do not replicate what is being done in this video. This video is
You'd have to have him do like just like word for word, like super professional. Like
Yeah, it's got to be like a deep voice too. Like, we are trained professionals.
like the Jackass intro. Like, please do not attempt any of these stunts.
Do they say?
Warning. The following video features stunts performed either by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Accordingly, PRIZZA Mike must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt or activity performed on this video.
Hey, bonfire wood right here.
There you go.
No. Well, yeah, the fiberglass on it. And shit.
Oh, yeah.
This is burn power.
Throughout the like.
What up, playa? Got that sticky clutch.
Do you even know what you're getting yourself into?
oh my god, what the f is happening? I think we should leave. Dude, who crashed the 34 into the garage?
Come check out my wheels, though, bro.
We tried to teach Connor how to drive stick.
Oh fuck.
Check the other side, bro. Holy powder
Hey,
shit.
don't forget to check out the wheels.
Yeah.
That's that splat!
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Spit my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've
Dang. Where'd you get them, Johnny's?
Let me adjust my $1,500 Cartier shades.
They glow in the dark?
No, they were glowing when I saw him over there.
Oh, he's grill master for show tonight.
Something like.
Oh, you got a green one?
Oh, I'm a phony.
Phony.
Oh, baby. We're just testing which fuses on the fuse panel trigger these wires so that we can make sure that remains off. They're all separated, very professionally and protected, you know. What are you delinquents doing back here?
Broke the hatchet. Tap it in there. Broke the hatchet.
He broke the hatchet?
Yeah.
Hit it with the
You know, we might have miscalculated.
It's not gonna do anything.
Just tap it in.
wood.
Wood versus wood?
You just gotta spread it over.
Oh.
Let me get the baby one.
Damn!
It's a straight strip. Come on, yank her out. There you go.
Oh! Got wet there.
Those were so weird. There was some water tubes that came all the way out here, exterior, mind you. And there's a little bathroom in here. It's like not the nicest. Still need to finish it. Came like this. Water heater. Very beautiful work done here by the previous owner or whoever did this. Definitely don't want that window trim to look fresh. Anyways, moving along, we got exterior mounted plastic water lines. It's got a tub. And at least there's water shut-off valves. I'm thankful for that. Just to put a, looks like a sink out there. Even though there's one right here.
Where do you want me to hit it?
Bottom.
Bottom. Like this?
Yeah. Sweep his legs. Oh! Sweep the legs.
One more.
Man went golfing. Oh snap.
Little man, big hammer.
Oh!
It's like pinatas.
Hit it. Oh!
Hit it more in the middle. Hit it for more in the middle. Hold on.
Hit him with the chair!
He's gonna hit the glass.
Yeah, right, dude. I kept f***ing up the wire. Yeah, he said it's hard not to f*** up with precision.
Alright, don't mind if I do. Probably get those redone. Alright, here we go. Alright, get up out of there.
I got my safety glasses on. Let's get to demolishing some.
That's my super.
Hey, take a swing for the top.
Whatever.
Hey,
No, I want
Don't miss. A little more to the right. A little more to the left.
Whose car's ready to go to the hospital?
hey, if you're gonna fall backwards.
I'm gonna end up on live leak by the end of the day.
Yes, you are.
OSHA doesn't approve.
OSHA ain't here right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
Oh, one more.
Hey, you missed the spot.
Hey, yeah, you missed the spot.
Take it off. Take it off.
Let's go. No.
Yeah.
Straight outside. Rush.
Sell me mag tools, please.
Stop it!
I have no money.
6
My
months
mom
later,
has
it's the same.
cancer.
God damn it! Watch out for the
House.
Don't go through that wall.
That's not gonna work.
I got so much adrenaline.
Not the
Oh,
Minerva.
Minervas do not clear Z brakes. Or R34 brakes. Oh my god. Yeah. Noted. Hey, luckily there's no damage to the face, but just the face of the caliper.
God!
Look at that. I didn't think they would be that weak in the
You're
rear.
still working on that?
Yeah. Blitz for the win. Clearance. Let's see the bag. Yeah. It honestly doesn't look horrible. It's not too bad. No! Yeah, Monica! Damn, the face is so shaved down. I know. Yeah, what the fuck?
Whoa.
Pull out over there. Too much dip on your chip.
Ain't no break.
Why are you stopping the garage?
Are you dumb? Hell no. What the hell? Does it look like there was a wall?
We can definitely fit more than 2 cars in here. I gotta figure out something about the junction boxes. Let's get some food.
Man, what's in there?
And these are Bobby Talks?
What's in there? What's in there?
Everybody's okay with it. They don't care if they
No,
don't get
I'll eat that one, but I literally caught it. It was great.
Oh, it's fine. It's rust. That's rust. Never heard of it.
Rust probably fine.
You ever suck on pennies?
I feel like I have. I don't know what to say.
And if they're none of those,
It's a good. I like those neighborhoods. Like they're good people in those
they
neighborhoods.
are, dude. They are.
They're fucking
Does it
honest
slap?
humans.
Oh yeah.
Like not a lot of fucking.
They won't
shit
sugarcoat anything they tell you. Like they'll be real with you.
Oh no, dude. No,
Is this just crazy ass white
Me at the
people over there?
club. Kids are. See a fucking Green River. I've already seen a fucking River Green. We all get to the party on the south side in Beverly. People like shit face, like pass out. They really ain't nothing.
I don't know. Does he approve this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll have to see.
We'll find out.